Cocker. Get over here. Get over here. Get over here, you little rascal. Yeah. Yeah. You little good girl. You little good girl. Yeah. Hold your leg up. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Socrates, come here. Yeah. You been good? Except when you escaped the pen, you being good?
Huh?
I was talking smack.
I don't know what to do with this place.
She's been sniffing the perimeter.
If there's a fair crack, I'll find it. There's a further crack in this place, I'll find it. I'll guarantee you. If there's a hole big enough for me to get out of, I'll do it. Yeah, I will. Yeah, I will. Then I'll get out of it. Yeah. Said, you just watch me, buddy. Said, you think I ain't smart. Said, you been calling me old nummy.